Welcome to Wife Diaries. Today, I'm setting aside this space for someone who may be watching in silence. Isang taong tahimik lang na nanonood, palaging nakangiti sa harap ng iba pero umiiyak sa gabi, palihim, mag-isa. A woman who is carrying bruises not just on her skin but in her soul. A woman who may have forgotten the sound of her own laughter. This is for the battered wife. Physically, emotionally, verbally, or mentally hurt by the very person who once vowed to love, protect, and cherish her. Baka natatakot kang magsalita. Baka sinasabi nila na kasalanan mo. Na kung naging mas tahimik ka lang, mas masunurin, mas mabait, hindi ka sana sinaktan. Tinitiis mo lahat. You stay not because you are weak, but because you are holding everything together for the children, for the family, for the hope that maybe tomorrow will be different. Nanatili ka hindi dahil mahina ka, kundi dahil pilit mong maging matatag para sa mga anak, kahit hindi na para sa sarili. You protect them even if no one protects you. But sis, let me gently remind you, you are not what he says you are. Hindi ka walang kwenta, hindi ka pangit, hindi ka baliw. You are not overreacting. You are not too much. At higit sa lahat, hindi ka nag-iisa. You are worthy of a love na hindi ka natatakot. You are worthy of a love where you are safe, you are heard and honored. Sis, you can break your silence. Breaking the silence doesn't mean you're breaking the family. You're breaking the cycle. You are teaching your children that violence is not love. That silence is not strength but survival. That living life should not be a survival experience. Tinuturuan mo ang anak mong babae na hindi dapat tiisin ang pananakit para lang sa pag-ibig. Dahil ang tunay na pag-ibig ay hindi marahas. Tinuturuan mo ang anak mong lalaki na ang pagmamahal ay hindi dapat mapanakit. You may think that your whispers don't matter. But even whispers, when spoken to the right person, can become the loudest call for help. Minsan, sapat na ang bulong sa taong handang makinig at tumulong. Dito sa Pilipinas, may mga lugar at taong handang tumulong. Sa barangay may VAUC desk, may DSWD, may mga women's shelter at mga hotline. Sometimes, all it takes is one friend, one churchmate, and one moment of courage. Because sis, deserve mong maging ligtas. You deserve peace, you deserve dignity, you deserve to wake up and go to sleep without fear. Deserve mong mabuhay. To the battered wife who is still choosing to stay, I'm not here to judge you, but I want you to know this. When you are ready, you can break your silence too. And when that moment comes, no matter how long it takes, tandaan mo, God sees you. He is not blind to your pain. He has counted every tear, and He holds your heart in His gentle, healing hands. Let this video be a whisper of hope. Let this be the beginning of your healing. You are loved, you are strong, and you are not alone. Alam mo, bilang mga asawa at nanay, natural sa atin ang protektahan ng pamilya. Gusto nating buuin, hindi buwagin. Dahil naniniwala tayo na ang pamilya ang isa sa pinakamahalagang institusyon na nilikha ng Diyos. Pero sa usaping domestic violence, kailangan nating maintindihan na may mga pagkakataon na ang paghihiwalay o ang pagpapanagot ng isang nananakit na asawa ay hindi kasalanan, kundi isang responsabling desisyon. Hindi ibig sabihin na pinili mong masira ang pamilya. Pinili mo lang protektahan ang sarili mo at ang mga anak mo. At tandaan mo ito, hindi kinukonsinti ng Diyos ang pananakit. Hindi niya kinukonsinti ang physical abuse, emotional abuse, verbal abuse, lalo na laban sa babae at sa bata. Ang tunay na pagmamahal ay hindi nananakit. And God is not blind to the tears of the brokenhearted, nor deaf to the silent cries whispered in the dark. He sees every sleepless night, every lonely prayer, and every aching sigh. Though the world may overlook your pain, God never does. He draws near to the brokenhearted and binds up their wounds with His love. Hold on, dear wife. Your sorrow is seen, your heart is known, and your healing is coming.